We love to give our students inspirational opportunities and wow moments here at Duchy College Stoke Climsland, the specialist land-based college. You're about to see what we can offer you.
Everyone's so welcoming. I've made loads of friends. The facilities are really good. We get to do loads of hands-on work.
My favourite part of the course is probably the modern equipment, the modern technology, and I've always liked taking things apart and learning how they work.
People are lovely and it's a laugh, but at the same time you learn a lot. Like, I have learned a lot over the 2 years that I've been here. You can go out into the real world and say, I've got experience and I'll be happy to do anything you want me to.
My name's Talon. At the moment I'm working for Argyle Community Trust and I am our Regional Sports Officer and Manager for East Cornwall and North Devon. The main outcomes we're looking is to get them involved, obviously involved in footballing, matches and training, but also we've got exit routes such as university, jobs in coaching, and we've seen hundreds of footballers come through.
Every student here at Duchy College has to participate in a work experience placement where they learn valuable employability and industry-related skills. You can do this in a variety of places, such as a zoo or a dairy farm, a gym or an outward bound centre. Where would you do your work experience?
This entire campus is a lot bigger than what I was used to, and on the first day I was very, very daunted, but I've made a lot more friends and it's gotten easier.
We hope you've been inspired and we look forward to welcoming you in September.